Right, hello everyone, welcome back to another vacuum video. Today, I have been given the task of shampooing my carpets. So I thought I'd sort of bring you along and get going. The main areas I want to focus on is all down here. This is all in front of the coffee table, which is where you can see where the coffee table has been, because it's a lot more fluffier and deeper pile. So this is where the coffee table has been. As you can see, not as, it's a bit yellow, just not quite as grey. It's a lot flatter. And as you can see, this area just here, well, this is our main area because this is the kitchen, and we just walk on this bit all the time, and then we can either go up the stairs or towards our front door. I'm not doing it in the porch today because this is being taken up, and we've got a little bit of just some things we're doing in here very shortly. But it's mainly this area here and all there. This bit isn't as bad because it's not as high traffic, apart from the dog where he gets in his bed just over here. So I've started off by moving just a few things like the dog bed, all the dog's toys, and the coffee table. Just going to move this. Just going to bring it into the porch. And then I'm just going to move the footstool. Now, the vacuum cleaner of choice for today is my mum's Shark True Pet NV601 UKT. This is the most powerful vac that we have. The one with the best brush roll, the one with the best suction. So we're going to be using that, proper decent corded machine. And then our carpet cleaner is this. This is the Bissell Pro 4 upright carpet cleaner. It has got a little upholstery thing as well. And then we're also going to be cleaning that footstool and the arms of the chair and the sofas. And we're going to be using my own personal machine, which is the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. I use this when I valet and detail vehicles. And just for general cleanups, we had it. It was used a hell of a lot before my eldest dog passed away in September. And it's also been used to help clear up after that little guy a couple of times. But you can see the difference, like the non-traffic areas and the really high traffic areas. So I'm going to finish getting some bits moved, and then we're going to go through and have a good deep vac. Okay, so I've just been and fetched the detergent. As you can see, the carpet has now been thoroughly vacuumed. Just wheeled in the carpet washer. It's all plugged in. So I'm just going to go fill it up. We're just going to be using some of this Astonish Machine Carpet Shampoo, along with some of this disinfectant. Look at all that came out of just my living room. Not bad. That's really good. So, fill up the tank. This is a 2-in-1 tank, so all the clean water goes in and sits in this little bag, and then all the dirty water sits around the outside. So, I'll see you when it's filled. Okay, so when I go forwards, I'll push this in, and when I come back, I'll release it. It's set to carpet, or floor cleaning even. So we're going to go over the whole carpet sort of twice, and we're going to start off near the sofa. It's a very quiet machine as well. well, I mean, wow. It has brought this carpet up beautifully, and the dirt that come out, that was enough level, and it's so fluffy now. We're going to go over this little bit just here. We're going to go along this way, because I just want to make sure all this bit has had a proper good clean. But the rest of this, look, obviously you can tell a difference where it's still like brand new and fluffy and where it's not as much brand new and fluffy, but it looks good. I'm looking forward to this bit, which is next. Oh my god. This might have taken a while, but look at it. I've sort of just left you on time lapse for a while. Now, as you can see, this is the bit I haven't done. That's the bit I have. Right, my mum's home, but look at that. Okay guys, so we are now done with the Bissell Stain Pro 4. I've cleaned all of the brush roll to the best of my ability. I've also done the little plaque at the front and the waste container. Now, if we go in, these socks are going to have to go through the washing machine. As you can see, people have walked on it, but it looks a million times better. Now, we have got my Bissell Spot Clean Pro, and we're going to clean this footstool. Now, we're also going to do these chair arms, if I just move the dog bed, because my dog, he likes to get up on the windowsill, and he likes to sit and watch out the window as well. So he sits on this arm, and occasionally sits on that arm as well. So we're going to shampoo all of these chair arms. We're not doing the sofa ones. The sofa ones were done not so long ago. And we're going to do this footstool as well with the Bissell. Wow. That's just from the 2 chair arms where the dog sits and the footstool. That chair isn't just for the dog, if that's what you was thinking. No, that chair is ours as well. Here we go.